I'm upset as well because, you know, for the people that are Jamaica, only if you tell me what's going on. They are Jamaica right now, I on my social media feed, if you're on the Facebook link, tell me what go on for the 6 them, because I don't understand what's going on for the 6. Because I hear what about things say chronic law in a whole heap of mix up on this. And me not too like come here, that not sound good. Because someone told me that chronic law got booked for a show. Instead of him go, him said daddy one. Rasta, what do you know about that? Do you hear anything like that with this 6 situation?
What specific show are we referring to, by the way? Is it?
I don't know exactly which show.
Oh, so is that different? It's not Summer Sizzle we're talking
No, it's not Summer. Okay. No, after Summer Sizzle.
Oh, after Summer Sizzle.
Yes.
Hold on, let me fix my phone.
So,
sorry, guys.
After Summer Season.
Alright, so
the
you're
Summer
saying
Season mix-up thing.
Yeah. So that happened, and then you're saying to us that Chronic Law was booked for a show.
Yeah.
He didn't go. He sent Daddy one.
Yeah.
Is it Daddy one?
Daddy one, yeah.
May I know about that, my G?
So, me don't know what
going to you're supposed to go to your show because you book. Why are you sending people? I don't know what I have no idea. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm unsure of the situation. Would you like to call Chronic Law and find out what is happening? 1876
1876. Me have the part there.
6
Rasta give it 6 6.
666. We don't know what that is.
Rasta idiot.
You feel my idiot. Yeah, understand.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, holy bad things are listen, I when I see I've been seeing a lot of this happening in the music industry.
Yeah. They feel that they reach too big, too fast.
Yeah. And people just have to realize that it's a process. You have to start somewhere in order to reach somewhere. And every great thing takes time. Big up yourself, Rockers Elements.
Yeah.
You understand? We have to put it out there. Every great thing takes time. You have to take your time and do your thing, my G. Yeah. Especially if you want it to be something great. You have to put work into it. Yeah. And you have to just have to take your time. Yeah, and be serious about your business. You can't just this is just reminded me of a lot of things that I've experienced over the weekend. Yeah. People have to take, and even here on the Upnlive show too. Yeah. You invite people for forward and them forward like is a starmantic. My G, you get a specific time. Yeah. Reach here at a specific time. Yeah, because I saw the thing go. Time waits on no man, yes, but you have to respect us and respect yourself as well. So I don't know what to say about that.
Well, I
wish them all the best.
A little misunderstanding.
It's a misunderstanding.
I don't hear anything from film camp yet.
No one has given a response.
No one has given any response on it. It's just people saying, and you know when people take story, them out.
Yeah, them twist it and yeah.
So if that's the case, then the 6 Heavy D need to come out and say something. I say Heavy D and Mr. Leg, one of them management. Well, so whoever is the management needs to come out and make just like what they come out with the Beanie Man show. Yeah, and made a statement. Right. Make know what something official needs to come out. Which I agree. Big up to TG and Ding Dong in the UK. You know. Shellings, every show. DJ Killer Filler, my G. Yeah. Let us just start there. DJ Killer Filler, big up yourself. Big up yourself. It's a production show. Like these now, make and talk about because it is planned properly. Yeah. And the man them execute properly. Properly. You understand? Big up Jada Nights too now. Yeah. Yes. Big up Jada Nights. Yes, as well. And as of course, you don't know it's a dream team. I have to big up Supreme Promotions. Of course. Because we're going to be in Manchester on Bank Holiday Sunday, August 25th at the Manchester O2 with Ding Dong and TJ and the rest of big sound, them Hot Rock Sound, Willow Power, DJ Sway, Piggy and Specialists. It is going to be a very good event. It's going to be a so if you haven't gotten your tickets yet, where's the camera? My camera. Yeah. If you haven't gotten your tickets yet, get onto it because the tickets are going very, very quickly. And the show Agashell. Show Agashell. I mean, Dream Team dip on it. Like, duh. Drop a bomb for that, please. Thank you very much. Dream Team I got up on the show. You understand? So, you see me. So I'm looking forward to the Bank Holiday weekend as well as Carnival is happening. Yes, Rasta, you have your suit. But we had this conversation last week. Yeah. We're not going to do it again. Ladies and gentlemen. Even the people Rasta buy one suit and need to come and watch it. On the float. Yeah? Well, I don't know. I can't remember about the suit. It have pink in it. It does not have pink in there because I do not like pink. Thank you for feathers and bead and diamond tips. Of course. Come on out to see my suit. Come on. Your favorite idiot. Yeah. No. If that's what I go carnival for, we're going to be very disappointed. Rasta, you have to go up there now. Go up where? And if I scan that bag, you have to go up there.
Oh, to Carnival?
What?
I'm going.
Okay.
But so I'm not where I'm
confirmation.
Anyway, moving right along. The float them, yeah. People are going to have a good time. Apparently the weather is going to be so much better than the couple years that have passed. Yeah. Sunshine.
This is England. You have
this
all
is
different
London.
Season in one day.
Which we appreciate because we have to give thanks for the good and the bad.
Yeah.
You understand? What else is happening this weekend?
I'm big up to Iwater, Intense and Jet Life. Them playing in the UK as well.
Corey Max, big up yourself.
You know, they message me today, say, yo, I'm a forward, so.
Wait, right.
So, Upnlive show. So.
We've made our bookings. I've had a conversation. Corey Max, I'm still waiting on you to respond to my latest email.
Yeah.
Yes, and return my calls, but it's all right. We're going to be setting things, so hopefully, as Rick alluded to, Intense and Iwater Jet Life.
Yeah.
Will be passing through. Is either them pass through or we go, do a link up and sort things.
Yeah, anyway, but we'll get to the exclusive.
Something will be done. Will be done. So, in the meantime, it is now 90 minutes to hour of 10 o'clock. We're going to be asking DJ Rick to drop some tunes. But before I do that, please be reminded that the Upnlive show is sponsored by Shushprint, Fastprint, and is produced by Worldmag. Yeah?
Right.
So, drop some tune and then we'll go to the big plug of the show.
Cool. All right. So, I have 3 minutes for that jogging. I'm going to